Okay, so you need a topic that A, fits the assignment guidelines, and B, doesn't bore you to tears. So let's talk brainstorming. Now, the key to brainstorming is not to filter yet. That happens later. For now, just get down anything that comes to mind. So here are 10 topic brainstorming questions to help you get those juices flowing. Now, the more specific you can be in your brainstormed answers to these, the stronger your topic list will be. First, what are you passionate about? What do your friends ask you for advice about? What would you like to learn more about? What has been really impactful in your life or your experience? What is something that you think should change? What is something that you feel many people misunderstand? What topics are creating discussion in the news lately? What issues are trending in movies, shows, and social media? What would you watch a whole documentary on? What do you want to know related to your future goals or career? So after spending some time answering those questions, you should have at least 10 topic options down at this point, and hopefully a lot more. The next step is filtering. So toss out any options that are too broad or general, are going to be more difficult to fit into that course assignment that you just aren't that interested in, are maybe too personal or would be too difficult for you to really delve into based on your experience, or are inappropriate for the classroom. And if you're not sure about the appropriateness, just reach out and ask your prof. So after that filtering step, you should have 3 to 5 solid options. These should be topics that fit squarely within those assignment guidelines, but that are also actually interesting or relevant to you. Just make sure that for each of these remaining topics, you can clearly and convincingly make the connection to the course material. If you have a creative, unique take, those make for some of the best submissions. Just make sure it's not too far of a stretch. And again, if you're not sure, just ask your prof. They'll help you clarify. So now that you've got those 3 to 5 solid topics, sketch out a quick and dirty outline for each one. These are not finished, fleshed out outlines. These are a few bullet points of what your main argument would be, what evidence you would use, and how you would connect it or weave in course connections. Each one of these quick and dirty outlines should only take you a few minutes, so don't spend too much time here. Finally, looking at those quick sketch outlines, select the one that you think would be the easiest for you to do your paper or project on. Now, usually I don't recommend the easy route, but since you've already done the work of brainstorming and filtering to make sure that any of the topic options at this point are strong, it's absolutely fine to choose the one that you think would flow out of you with the fewest roadblocks. I'm all about being smart with your time. So now you should have your topic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend, and I will see you all next time.